Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. In this video, we are going to continue the chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals, in which we have stopped yesterday. You all know we are doing chapter 2, that is exercise 2.1, alright? So we have completed till number 2. So in this class, we are going to continue that. We are going to continue with question number 3, alright? So let us have a look and let us solve question number 3. So here is our question number 3. The question states that in a magic square, the sum of the number is in each row, in each column, and along the diagonal is the same. Alright, is this a magic square? So you have to consider each row, each column, and each diagonal to consider this square as a magical square box. Alright, so I hope you remember in the chapter 1 we did this type of a problem. So adding all the rows, column, adding each row, column, we have to if we are getting the same number, then we will consider that this magic square box as a magic square. Alright, so if the numbers are different, then we will not consider this square box as a magical square. Alright, so first of all, let's add each row. Alright, so sum along the first row is equal to 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Alright, so this is our row and this is our column and this is our diagonal. This is our row, this is our column, and this part, the middle one, this one is our column. Alright, diagonal. So we have to add this first row, this number. Alright, this first row we are going to add. So here first what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of this denominator. Alright, so here all the numbers are same, so we are going to get one number, that is 11. Alright, so our LCM is 11. Our next step, divide this with this LCM. 11 by 11 is 1, so 1 into 4 is 4, plus 11, and when you divide 11 by 11 it is 1, and 1 into 9 is 9. I hope this is clear with you people, because I am doing many such questions which is related to this sum, isn't it? So again here, when you divide 11 by 11 you'll get 1, and 1 into 2 is 2. So 4 plus 9 is 13, and it is 15 by 11. Yeah, 13 plus 2, 15, and 15 by 11 is the first answer. So adding second row now, sum along the second row. This was our first row, this is our second row, and this is our third row. Alright, so we will add each row first. This is our second row, so we are going to add second one first. Now 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So even here the LCM are same. Denominator are same. So 11 we will consider it as a 11. Alright, so when you divide it, 1 is the product you are going to get, and 1 into 3 is 3, plus again 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 again by 11. Alright, so again next, sum along the third row. We are going to continue like this. Alright, so next what we have, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Alright, so all the denominators are same, so our LCM will be 11. 11 by 11 is 1, so 1 into 8 is 8, and 11 by 11 divided by 11 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Again here 1, 6. So answer is 15 by 11. So adding each row we got 15 by 11. Alright, so with this we cannot consider our square box as a magical square. Alright, so for that, to consider square as a magical square box, you have to take all the three things, that is row, column and diagonal. Alright, adding each row we got same number, okay fine, but adding each column and diagonal you have to get the same number, that is 15 by 11. Alright, so let us solve for the each column. So now for column, so this is our column, first column, second column and third column, right? First, second and third column, isn't it? So we will consider first column, sum along the first column. Alright, so our first column is 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11, isn't it? So adding this all, so you can see all the denominators are same, so we can write the LCM 11. So 11 by 11 is 1, so 4 into 1 is 4, and again 3 plus 8, so you can write like this, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8, 15 by 11. So 15 by 11 again we got. So adding now second column, sum along the second column. Alright, so what is our second column? 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. Alright, so 11 is again LCM here, 9 plus 5 plus 1. So 9 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15 by 11. Again 15 by 11 we got. So again for the sum along the third column is 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So it is 11, 2 plus 7 plus 6. What is the answer? 9 plus 6, 15 by 11. So after adding each column also, we got 15 by 11. So it is matching with the row, but we have to consider again one thing, that is diagonal, isn't it? So considering diagonal, if we got the same number, that is 15 by 11, then only we will consider this box as a magical square box. Alright, now let us solve for each diagonal. Alright, so we have two diagonal here. This is one side, this is one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. Alright, this two diagonal we have. So let us add sum along the first diagonal. It is 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So LCM is same, 11, 4 plus 5 plus 6. Alright, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5, 15 by 11 again. So sum along the second column, sorry, second diagonal. Second diagonal, what we have? 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Okay, you can consider from this way also, 8 by 11, 5 by 11, 2 by 11. Alright, so you can take any of the number, but it should be diagonal. Alright, so 11 is our LCM. After that, 2 plus 5 plus 8, it is 7 plus 8 is 15 by 11. So now, yes, we can consider this box as this square as a magical square box. Why? Because all the numbers, that is 15 by 11, we got in each row, each column and each diagonal. Alright, so we can write, yes, the sum of the number in each row, each column and along the diagonals is the same, right? That is, I'll write 15 by 11 here. So it is a magic square. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So our next question we have is question number 4 from exercise 2.1. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 hole 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 hole 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Alright, so you have to find its perimeter. So from the lower class, you know that the shape of the rectangle is like this, in which you will have length, isn't it? This side is length, the longest side, and the smallest side is known as the breadth. I'm denoting here by length as a L and breadth as a B. Alright, okay, so in the question, that is according to the question, this rectangular sheet of a paper, the length of a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 whole 1 by 2. It is in a mixed fraction, so you have to convert it into a proper or improper fraction. Alright, so 12 to the 24, 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2 centimeter. Alright, so this is our length, so it is 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay, this is our length. Another is we have breadth of a rectangular sheet of a paper is equal to 10 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is our actual length and this is our breadth of a rectangular sheet of a paper. Alright, so now they have asked us to find the perimeter. So you know perimeter formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Alright, so simply just put the value out here. In place of length, you'll put the value 25 by 2, breadth 32 by 3. Alright, it is just a simple sum 25 by 2. So putting the value of length, we have 25 by 2 plus breadth value is 32 by 3 centimeter, isn't it? So let's solve for the bracket first. Let's not touch this 2. Okay, so what we are going to do here is take the LCM of 2 and 3, like what we do in the previous class, what we have done. So we are going to follow that process. All right, 2 1 2, 3 here, 3 1 3. So our LCM is 6. So now divide this 6 with 2, 3, 25 into 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 3, 2 into 32. So it is 25 into 3 is 75 plus 2 into 32 is 64 divided by 6. Alright, so 2 into 75 plus 64 is 9, 139 by 6. This is the one. So if you divide this, 2 1 2, 2 3 6, you can do like this. So 139 by 3, or you can write 46 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet, therefore perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to 46 whole 1 by 3 centimeter. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. After the completion of question number 4, we have question number 5, that is to find the perimeter of number 1 triangle ABE and number 2 the rectangle BCDE in this figure, the given figure here, whose perimeter is greater. That you have to calculate also. Okay, so let me make this figure separately first. Let me make this figure number 1 as a triangle and number 2 as a rectangle. Alright, so for rectangle we have found just now, right, in question number 4 we found the perimeter of a rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter for the triangle. Alright, this is only the new thing for us. This is not new. Alright, so figure number 1 is representing triangle here and figure number 2 is representing here rectangle. Alright, so the value is given here. It is 5 by 2 centimeter here, and it is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter here, and it is 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. So it is a scalene triangle in which all the sides are different. That is, triangle has a 3 side. Alright, and in case of rectangle, the length is given 2 whole 3 by 4, because this is for both the figure, that is for triangle and for rectangle also. So this side is equal, and the breadth is 7 by 6 centimeter. Alright, so first of all what we are going to do is we are going to find the perimeter of triangle first. Alright, so let us find the perimeter of triangle. Alright, so for triangle, to find the perimeter you have to add the 3 side. Alright, so what are the 3 side here? The first, what are the value of the first side? 5 by 2 plus 3 whole 3 by 5 plus 2 whole 3 by 5. So we can't find in such a way, but we have to convert this mixed fraction into a proper or improper fraction. Alright, 5 by 2 plus 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3, 18 by 5 plus 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 plus by 4. Alright. So only in such condition we can calculate the value, isn't it? So we have to do LCM of, we have to take out the LCM of 2, 5 and 4 first. 2, 5, 2. 2, 1, 5. It is 20. 2 to the 4, 5, 4 5 is 20, isn't it? So now what we have to do? Divide this 20 with 2. It is 10 and 5 into 10 plus 5 4s are 20, 4 into 18 plus 4 5s are 20, 5 into 11. Alright. So 5 10s are 50 and 14 into 8, 4 into 18 is 72 plus 5 into 11, 55 by 20. So 50 plus 72 plus 55 is, okay, so it is 177 by 20. Okay. So we can convert this in mixed fraction. 28 is a, so it is 8 whole 17 by 20 centimeter. Alright. So this is, what is the name of the triangle? The name of the triangle is ABE, ABE, and the name of the side are AB plus AE plus BE. Alright, we can write like this also. So with this we got our perimeter of the triangle. It is 8 whole 17 by 20 or 177 by 20 centimeter. Alright. So now we our another question is to find the perimeter of rectangle and to verify the both the value, and we have to consider whose perimeter will be greater. Alright. So this is our rectangle here, and the value, the length of the rectangle is 2 whole 3 by 4 centimeter. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 centimeter, and the value of breadth given is 7 by 6 centimeter. Alright. So with this we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. Alright. So the value, the formula for the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. The value of length is 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. We can write the name of this perimeter, rectangle also. The name of the rectangle is, so let me write the name here, BCDE. So our rectangle is BCDE. Alright. So length is our BD here, and breadth here is DE. Alright. Or you can consider CE as a length and BC as a breadth. Alright. So now we have to find the LCM between 4 and 6. Let's not touch this 2 here. We'll keep this in the bracket here. 4 and 6. 2 to the 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. Alright. So 4 3 is 12. 33 plus 6 2 is 14. Okay. 6 2 is 12. After dividing 12 by 6 we get 2, and 2 into 7 is 14. Alright. Okay, let me write the unit also. Unit is very mandatory. Do not forget to mention the unit, whether it is centimeter, meter, okay, kilometer, whatever the unit is given, you have to mention that. So 33 plus 14 is 47 by 12. Now we can divide this 12 by 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. It is 47 by 6. Alright. Or we can convert this in mixed fraction. 7 6 42. It is 7 whole 5 by 6 centimeter. Alright. So now we have to, our next question is, we have to consider which perimeter, that is between rectangle and triangle. We have to consider which perimeter will be greater. So first of all, we will consider triangle one. Perimeter of triangle is 177 by 20 centimeter, and similarly perimeter of rectangle is 47 by 6 centimeter. So in such a condition we can't we can't judge the answer, right? So what to do? We have to convert this fraction into equivalent fraction, right? That is 177 by 20 and 47 by 6. We have to convert this in equivalent fraction. How to do that? We have to take the LCM between 20 and 6. 2 10s are 20, 3, 2 5, 3, 5 1, and 3 here, 3 1s are. So 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20, and 23 is 60. So 60 is the LCM, right? So for 177 by 20, first of all, we have to convert this value into 20 into 3 is 60. So we have to multiply this 3 in both the side, alright? So 20 into 3 is 60 and 177 into 3. Alright, 177 into 3. It is 531 by 60. So this is our first case. Similarly, 47 by 6 into 10 is equal to 470 divided by 60. So now both the numbers are in equivalent fraction. That is 5. You have to choose in between 531 and 470. So whom do you think is in this two number? Which number is a greater? So 531 is a greater number. So 531 is for whom? That is for triangle. So yes, our perimeter of a triangle is greater than rectangle. All right. So we will write, therefore perimeter of triangle is greater than rectangle. All right. I hope you got this, because we got the value, we have converted that in equivalent fraction, and we chose the greater perimeter. All right. Here you can write the name of the triangle also. The name of the triangle is ABE, and the name of the rectangle is BCDE. All right. So you can write like this also. It will be more proper, more understandable if you write in such a manner. All right. So with this, we are over with question number 5. So student, this much for today's class. So I'm giving you a home assignment from exercise 2.1. Question number 6 will be a home assignment. All right. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. All right. Thank you, everyone.